Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by S. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over S, capital B over 7S plus 9. Next, we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about 7S plus 9. So capital A will multiply by 7S plus 9. About capital B, that is missing about S. So capital B multiplied by S. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of S. About S, we have 7 and A. And we have B. About the number, we have 9A. Now, we need to compare coefficients. About S, we have negative number 2. So, 7A plus B equals to negative number 2. About the number, 9A equals to number 6. And now, we create the system of equations. And now, we need to find the solutions of A and B. So, you got about A equals to 2 over 3 and B equals to negative number 20 over 3. So, we need to put the value of A and B going here. So A equals to 2 over 3, B equals to negative number 20 over 3, and now we have the final answer. And this is the final answer. Number 3 and number 7, we have 21. This is the end. Thank you for watching.